Subtract 5a to the fourth plus 3a cubed minus a squared minus 2a minus 1 minus the quantity 7a to the fourth minus a squared minus a plus 6. To subtract, we're going to leave the first polynomial expression just as it is. 5a to the fourth plus 3a cubed minus a squared minus 2a minus 1. And now we'll change each of the signs of the terms in the second polynomial expression. So minus 7a to the fourth plus a squared plus a minus 6. Now we combine like terms. This is equal, this is equal. This is a to the fourth, and this is a to the fourth. So it would be 5 minus 7 a to the fourth. There's only one a cubed term, 3a cubed. We have an a squared term here and an a squared term here. So we have a negative, or we add then in parentheses negative 1 plus 1 times a squared. We have an a term and an a term. So in parentheses, we're going to add negative 2 plus 1 and then multiply that times a. Then we have, for constant terms, negative 1 minus 6, which combined together is negative 7. Our final answer will be, when we simplify, 5 minus 7 is negative 2a to the fourth plus 3a cubed. Negative 1 plus 1 is 0. 0 times a squared is still 0, so there's no term that we need to write there. Negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1 in front of the a. Negative 1a, we really just write as negative a, and then we have the minus 7 at the end. So our final answer, negative 2a to the fourth plus 3a cubed minus a minus 7.